more police for about so briefly na memra we no so wo hwe the new strategy IGP no e dia to akwan mu a ebeboa ma corruption sem na ba form kakra say no in place of corruption so boko akwaje bribe no what the promotion asheko enti ye can say high risk ye crimes binum ne ne kakeka ho no police ni a obeyire wo ho ama police for etima aso ano ombetima kwakochi obi bia etu obi akọ retrieve ni ne kakeka ho any crime bia mu face or high profile bia no wo no ye ma promotion samu ye 20 mu 20 ni na ya promoter na police ni bia ni ho a obeje 120 enye ni papa ko omo number ye ni ho no akwaje 120,000 mo che bi kra wanya ye ebia 5,000 so ho ne tie no we promotion na dey brand no ne salary e kosoro I mean what dey we say mfa ho say 1 year utimi your operations 10 etimi on cover serious issues 10 na you be promote 10 times eti ama police for no say no omo ye ready to combat o eti say who use scam police ni kra na ese say you careful one hwe ya na sika na wiye no kra no ehun so asem aye den aba eti ye be bo a police for na aba so in fact though say you know na ye IGP Doóm no wo board no they are doing well the cooperation ewo mumu a omodi ye adwuma na efe yie pa eti ya beda police for na se ewo dwuma pa omo edi ya ba ye NPP me yin say honorable Kokofu mu akọ extend omo days in opposition omo akọ extension of days and say years omo be dey in opposition
sana wo no
and necessary na me hu no ni omo akọ ye no no
me bisa wo na
ni omo akọ ye no na Bawumia Ghana for are rejected no more than over 10 times on be rejected 10 times etinu na ye hwe se ebia dynamics no be change kakra nanka omotimi ayayi as so amasa in some of Kenya no akwa ye se wo hwe apetition gu fanta to mo entimi na ne fanta e apetition na only se fanta to mo ne adiagu so ho ne adia no enti some of Kenya no e ye some of waka Ghana for se na ye nyankola no abetutu na some aguye ya sum tisese ne o kan ana ne hihye odigu ho na so aba ene aba e dia asem papa mi nyina eti asese Akufo Addo amano kwan ba kokura se onye hwe wo se ba economy ni di achese o mu pushi lu to nchen kura wo di enja bibia a wo ka ye fa economy ni pe wone onabo atachia na moti ha wo se amano kwan amana nya economy no na nado ne ninu Ken Ofori Atta ana no moye ti Bawumia de o mu pushi lu to nchen kura enti se economy no eye ya eye den na Bawumia pushi no to nchen na idea ana economy ne ye ne abranya meke wuti ate tio enyo wasumuda na shomedi mwe bisa ya se wa you ani ama bisa na o pese me ba mu sesi a o ba kase me ma wonfu owura Kokofu di nkomo se dada o si hwe dani na majalo so kra
Impressive.
President onim sabe o interest wa bra mo president mo
endorsement we dey abeg
me say o hwe yen me say onim sabe o interest wo mu eti bi ka say o hwe manim
no me so mo na je me wa
to the rescue so dey je no enti sa pepe ultimi I mean ana nie eye me mobo kakra do se Akufo Addo me no nya cool this time no chese ni dini na no nya mo nyina yira as president of the republic kakra obeye ya ye de be credit wo so no ye de credit wa be di agire enti ona na nganzo amudi ade no mba be kinkan se president Akufo Addo ba ni oye ni so ne je no ba ni nyina no ayo ono anso so enepe na abasa wo hwe sede abato no koya utimi hu se in a way nankese se otimi improve The Akufo Addo first time 2007 49%. And what they call it. Second time obufu ko nanim over 60. Third time I call 90 something. So on it. So it means he say once a party no delegates no appreciate you or more say we okay ya the wo ko na o numbers no kosro no na Ghana for so you too 49 Ghana for reject you and of course 60 something or reject you e call 94 boom Ghana for accept you e to abane the mount. So last elections 2023 Dr. Bawumia enya 61% or so. And I say Atiaba from 56%. So it means he say internally just say wanya rejection kakra. And he say wanya rejection ewo internal contest no one. It should tell you say about the general contest na o kosoba form. Rejection no be great ba because say nana wo cheche bo. Say 61% no etimi kokoma no 38%. 38% they are more cost roba from Medaho. I don't know. I know any day can't hear. Ebra Jemesa declare President Mahamadu the president elect no. Na 38% for Dr. Bawumia. Na card 9 constituencies. 38 in yeka edise yeka. Na se oko no data. Na ene wa reduce about 56 no. Osha say NBC. I'm at 35 28%. So at the NPP there, now come the opportunity. You see, Dr. Bawumia or more marketing for 16 good years old. We are running meter, your marketing one or frabera. Bawumia has been marketed for 16 years, 2008. From somewhere June, August, baby, me are marketing is up to there. Now, oh, Tom, now they are going to see a nipum, a bonny don't call me, near and talk. Then maybe I what they call ye and talk, and maybe I they call ye and talk. Now, once a sour journey and for father for and fanqua, it means to say, Usika and our person. So, Nature, it's an idea. Me enema me premise me yini say wo mo akwa extend wo mo ye can say wo mo days and years in opposition we share in someone a course during their campaign abra 3 years no issue for reconciliation oh it's 3 years reconciliation no ebeti makoso party ebedi be 10 years over baby
oh but say nipa di nipa nipa
sometimes
you look beyond I just say beer because the way I would say any politicians are obi as a party first and to say if indeed you love your party I think say bibia you know below the party what you saying
loyalty is service loyalty is service what you say so one service say loyalty for someone or bet than in any nachi Agyarko. So Anna Ghana first before the party. And in the party say party no M1 that's will be free. Look at in someone here. All the 5 candidates apart from Obianya and sense. What kasa ya near the 10 cents are bosses here. Dr. Bawumia has some manager 16 cents or so. So that Kennedy Agyapong ni 10 cents. Oh, Bradjampo ko kasamba hey na Doóm cents. Ana senior akwakoshia. Akwako yi senior senior. So media ni mu.
When says answer ebe question so a part of it. Obi say is this the first time you know aspirants ekwako pray apɛ di baby say ya maybe a chidi for ebeka bibi say you compose president Akufo on kasa nyane in-law nyane brother-in-law and I can say banchi ade ache so yemfa nko
the magnitude of
what I'm trying to say is Enti we who say a part of by the end of the day they were able to come together.
Judgments at the bancha, they are to see and fan you know. I don't know and shedda enye anyway it is
rather anyway pa bomochi
na ya ba be ka kire o say ya be ka kire candidate bi say wakum nipa na we say wa free na kumam eno ano no e party
imagine say enye obi a wa konta and e ka say mo ya you think say no so carry weight
once a politician now can some of these things
exactly
also all the time.
That's the point I'm
but I'm looking at the magnitude of it.
Okay.
What you say? Bawumia kokasa ya yes 16 cents. Ni abu bossing na PDF on the yesi and na hasi on the yesi and na salad rice. Then ya bu bodu bebre. Mo ankasa mu ho. Eda ho. I know na ye ba be use their campaign. Nabutre. What is nabutre? Kennedy Agyapong kokasa ya.
No one chen obasa na hunu ba maybe so na enkonesa.
Me say obu betima ka Bawumia 2 asresra ko gina yuso asa ye wo sisifia ni bini ne kai ka ho. Ben sam na mo ka gu ho no. Odo ne be ka Ghana fo.
Okay.
What you say? Campaign no nya se bi no umienu na mo.
But don't
in some man for
Ghanaians to we've grown past sa stage say
at the stage
we use we
at the stage were you not here yes obi ade vice president letterhead atro akwakoje mo eni asichire e report e hu bebe NPP yati hu committee ni were you not here na mo kai ya say the nso e be koso kai Ghana fo so on dey no eti ne e koso ne de ne di kan good the we are no masi call ye basabasa biansi na yewura kokofu eda omo a no mo kase no ma besi no ehia pass order omo ase because omo ye din a ebianka esiye so on dey no but omo kan ye no ama chese omo atimi ada omo ho so eno one thing all the time say yetimi hwe ye ka corruption ye ka sa man for beden e beda omo ho so on dey no wo mo da omo ho so no so na mo ankasa nso wodi no na mo control niama abra be say 2028 a playing of a playback of videos ni ade na be campaign no so on dey no ye you people say e ba beto time e wo UTV a ye my message kakra na dey old video near their boom near keke muke kaya near their boom near kokofu mukaya near their boom near so ye bossa near ko so near no eti in a nutshell no they've extended their stay in opposition na me I am seeing say from now nipa obetima the president in the name of NPP Bawumia Campaign from now market anyway.
Okay. That's it. I was for year to so we say enkomo a chat so tension brews in NDC in Suhuyini wants Fifi Korte. Na opinion a member of the party communication team Hamza Suhuyini and Asabe wode kokobo akode ama National Democratic Congress or more party general secretary say nsem bi a wokeka no enya de den kabomu ebeba ene uhe obi na no a o say binom party members ni bi psychophants na tete de omo hwehwe nko a ye be ya de please ni pa ba akofo no eno no si wo mani so o say basa undermine party no unity e man kabomu emba nye no nko na no yosa ko bi na nai wa wunim se aban yi mu wanya wagye di bre bia wudie bia no se wo ba be gina ba be party no to anaso pese wo position bia within the party na ye be disqualify enye no nko ene ewuni ehwebe by 6 months time no ese wo di bre no eto fom se wunim pa se wo ba be party ni be no ene opanyin so ka se we ye niam emwa man ka bo mu mba na opanyini wonye sebi opanyini bi akeke a whole general secretary for the party na wo keka ensem bi se ya enya dia esefata nti wo ka che ne se wontwe ne ho emfree eno ho me sha say dey free doctor Kokofu honum do you think say gentleman dey okay in the right direction
me NPP dey sha say free me hon tiaja NDC dey aba ma keke sha say
keke say dem bon pay for yakasa wa ye din nti na me say me Matibeke. And now honorable akaze zuwufia asemo. Person would can zuwufia asemo ansana.
Oh, formula now you see it.
And one amazing. Okay, Mate.
I mean, well, for Kasa, it's not a problem. I mean, I say, Kabima min kebi amemoni ebo. And NDC is also a democratic party. Obia to me express the views and an opinion. I listen to Lawyer Suini. He's a very learned guy. He's a very gentleman. Or a lawyer by profession. Na ono wankasa woni opinion to share. Say offense bibi eko wronger. And for me that is the beauty of democracy. We can't be in a party na obia sebi entumi nka bibia ehye ne mo anaso offense ono hu bibi offense wrong ontumi nka and obey intimidated by it. Sen wetumi aka no I am happy. Honorable Fifi Kwete is a gentleman. Why a member of parliament, why a communication officer there. I mean, ocean pedigree in the NDC is a man we look at him as our mentor. And many share the same birthday, 2nd June. It's Humia, Afenyo, my brother, birthday boy, and I'm my friend, my senior comrade, birthday man. So gra yedi. And me just name Honorable Fifi Kwete. This is how he speaks. He speaks with passion, he speaks with zeal, or can the Senate on romance issue. And no kasa the way of Kasano, one shiny year you but you NDC now from afar. Obehu said that is how he is. And for me, the mommy then say was share an opinion and I discusses our opinion. A boa political party say who will become a party say don't keep it to yourself. Say it. Me sure say Honorable Fifi Kwete atena say who say obi share an opinion, and for me I was so to me gino I wo kwan paso any kwan say who ni say sebi you or a young gentleman or a lawyer or up and coming, you know, somebody who has bright future in Niema into no so gino kwan paso. So for me I don't have any qualms with the whole issue. When something is wrong we have to say it and we should move on. And Honorable Fifi Kwete, I don't think say press conference just recently or announced the timelines and how we are going to do our branch elections. If Honorable Fifi Kwete so motor decision. No. It's a decision of NEC. It's a decision nipa bebre a party penifo bebre from region to everybody. You brought together and they decided said this is what we want to do. And as a general secretary, or communicate here and to everybody. So for me, he has done a job, a decision of a collective body. And I think say maybe he also referring to June 4th, or voter region or can say NDC phone be a sickle funds, and in Yamana, it be more one president Mahamadu Bawumia. I mean, for me, that is his also opinion of say or also this is what he sees. Me say akwenye bia wo ho say President Mahamadu Bawumia ko 3rd term, 4th term, 5th term, 100 terms. Now akwenya wo ho no Bawumia ko mikeke I support it. Akwenya bia wo ho constitution no mano opportunity so obekwa. Oye Ghana ni to say honorable Kokofu ti here honorable Hopeson Adorye ti amesumiti here. Oye Ghana ni so o qualifier. So Bawumia ko 100 terms kwa I support it. So it is not any wrong say within NDC and be per President Mahama echo another term. It is not wrong. It is a no opinion who in different form or shape. That is opinion. It is Suhini, lawyer Suhini ni nya adwene ono so opinion no. So for me that is the beauty of NDC. We are in kontokwa. We are not vindictive. We allow people to share their opinion, and for me that is the beauty. eba up Sammy Gyamfi share an opinion before on kai yeah we are on Saturday Honorable Haruna Idrisu was the leader and Honorable Muntaka or share an opinion and no crime NDC at that time no na sebi Nkrofo so Honorable Sammy Gyamfi is just a young man politician feel no bad so up and coming until he cannot speak his mind when things are wrong. No, NDC we allow that platform for everyone to speak his mind. Mekai General Mosquito sometime Bina Rollins so no he spoke his mind. The party didn't collapse. Party ni AFN that is the beauty for me. We should encourage people to speak their mind. They should say what they think. They have seen something wrong. We should encourage it, and that is the beauty of democracy. And while we share an opinion on a statement, don't be vindictive to the person, because also that is also your opinion. So the opinions share a different view, and you can say vindictive towards each other. Okay. We should embrace ourselves as a collective body and support His Excellency the President to achieve his vision and the dream of resetting the Ghana agenda. Okay. And for me, that is what matters. And I've always maintained that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will go into the history book as a man who will change the face of the NDC and Ghana politics. And I tell you, what obedi omampeni wa Ghana ha, obey more than 60 minutes test. Ghanaians will have something to tell you, because we have seen a man or the less than 60 ministers are transforming Ghana inflation from 23 at the single digit at the dollar from only 60 ministers within 1 year. Na appointees, no scandal within 1 year. Look at the governance system of this country. Everybody is happy. So standard no the abano Akufo Addo ba ne de sa ba no choba ne gu se Akufo Addo choba no de ba na ye de Ghana sika kosi ye de kosi cathedral ne West Ghana sika ye sa Akufo Addo ko bebi a ye so ne konwa na convoy ne sa governance no de ba ne sa ba ne de President Mahamadu gu sa choba no ye de ja tumu ase no President Mahamadu different ba de aba ne say nobody is coming over 100 over 160 ministers or say 120 ministers. Obia embassy system ni mo oba the president of Ghana. Untumin kase you cannot bring inflation down. Untumin kase you cannot stabilize the city. Untumin kase you cannot fight illegal mining with how President Mahama and the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources show commitment. And everybody is happy in this country. Journalists are happy. Everybody is happy. So for me, I feel that the NDC, we are committed, we are organized, we are preparing ourselves to see about building a party towards 2028. And for me, these things will come up and no near Brazil. They are building proper systems for the party. And I mean, that's the beauty. And if your young guys are President Mahama, about your opportunity to say the just 42 years. First, I came to deputy CEO and a CEO of a state agency as huge as Minerals Commission as a deputy CEO. Because I call Sammy Gyamfi, young man, 35, 36, 37, managing gold board. Yebeka Soyakola, Malik Basintali, Yebeka Soyakola. Look at the CEOs, DVL CEO, Yebeka Soyakola. But then the President Mohammed changes standard or the bar. But that is why today, when you see the NPP, they are saying, we'll copy what President Mohammed had. They are bringing young guys on board, Boakye and the likes and those young guys. And that is the beauty. So somebody must lead the pace. And I believe, when we give opportunity to the youth, and AI for when we sit down, the things we can we do with AI and develop this country. You don't have any ideas. I can't say Penifoni, but we need Penifoni to guide us so that we move where we are going. And that is the standard of President Mahamadu Bawumia. So I believe this standard is going to remain forever in Ghana politics.
Okay. I think party be our Nenchishire and another. And I don't think party be a honso or betty me aga get them crow for the mum say one fat and she say panso and work one more a virgin some. Send the NPP jeans some more no a man for a pronouncing crow for singing in the Kaika. So let you know on any opinion no actually. And a general secretary, and so I don't think or best sorry about Bekasa without endorsement from the NEC or the chairman. So eti audience shaba in fact ne share no di go akwan mu ne de me to me me ni omo party no but to me I think say it's a good move o aban mu concentrate e wa aban mu so on ne de no ne opese obede party nso no emra party no ma meye party aduma omuko animu a amanfo be hu the essence of it abo mo aba appreciate than say ebia be criticize and say bibisa ne di kan o ye appointee o pedien o party position bio eti say o wo opepa say o de party na opesa osumu a eno o ka say ani resign o resign a no waba aba be share party eti o resign a obi ananka ono pe party position no ebi kwa no bo akopre appointment no office na na wo mu a resign no ebi na kwa kwashe ono nso aja party ho no woko abna United Party yen hyehyɛ de ba no me say a time will come all the parties will copy won say ye ba be ye yi sa delegate system ni ade no ede nsɛm na mo kyese sika wo mo hwegu ho pa up to 31st no ho say sika no kebeti ma yo mo 2028 elections no but yakwakuhwegu United Party for in our constitution say we are not going to do any delegate system ba be yi parliamentary candidates a selection konko toaba a recommendation from the constituency na region no go through ahe national will give final approval sani be no sika bia na den
bias embem
bias
because they be one of my
debi enye bias asem ye mo nkoto ska na okokoto agu no keep never run the elections na win the city no what you say look bisa na bukokofu in Ashanti region primaries higher than the general elections the effort the money everything now the be call primaries in no emu half kra won fan call the general elections so dim danger because a hono akwakoye stronghold wonya we ne primaries na or parliament especially enye ne na say NDC for GGB no so on there no but Kumasi property say bantama manhia inshaye so ne ne ga hono wo we ne primaries ni wie na no wonim so parliamentarian the same thing ko voter regional wo we ne primaries pa wonim say wo parliament enti ahode ya na omo de co primaries mu no eya na nye ahode ketwa kra eno so ana ya na den sensem bai so eti ye no ya ye se se ye de ne be selection eti no wo ba aba be pre eyi a ye hwehwe de se wo ye known in the constituency at least wo nya boni dia nipa simesi nipa simesi so on eti no se ebia yakofa chairman koko fuse odi na ye candidate for bantama edi ebium obi animu no body di wotokro bi emu a obi animu no so on eti no eti se ono ba na fe obi susu a chese afe na obekwa introduce no me na metia say ya hase na me ko school na me say ya obumie no office de ne ese eti ye beyi ni ono ye no na chese ye de na kwa gina
but then on we stand and say share any dynamics na asesa online first and I said na Ashanti region when him say ne voters not do na enhunu no said the first no mo na sebi especially both political parties na maybe one can say stronghold of way in here would me iPad you cry ni pad in better not be iPad can be one side colors na dra na ho but now it's like that anymore.
Like back right say I want to mean kasasem no o kwa Ashanti region you can say it o ko voter region mama can be binchro look me father side Keta constituency me mother side central town so two constituencies what dear obi a obeyi no from NDC so na parliamentary candidate or permanent run obewini
we are sure
me kasa mucho me a politician ya adwuma na che
I know na the last woman so ya adwuma na che when I make say we as say they said we as see come evolve.
Oops, any automatic sabi.
Yes, oh my
2024 elections dynamics, you know.
Exactly.
Yes,
Asante for the first time.
Asante Agyapong dynamics in nie. Ohene Frimpong no NPP ni mapa. Wo ko primaries no mo mafia no so be independent. Look, wa win what you say? Share NDC
so yes. I'm a Ubeje for the first time.
Yes.
Ewo voter register didn't see that.
So the
something can happen. You can't.
What I'm saying is a constituency like Menchia South. Now we say, look, you're a candidate. That's a candidate. Oh, me kwa brechaba. No akwa na kabese 2 weeks. No aba. Organize it. Rally bakwa hey. Ombeto amanu boom. Obeko. So on yet no. Except to say, Ebia. When the content of year or so called independent, our women say, oh, wait, you're the NPP mu, and Ebia, BBT, what free more call independent. A hono, obit my how kakra. But what I'm saying is, when it comes to primaries, these two regions, and I'm the example, when you win primaries in voter region, what we need primaries on the ticket of NDC, we are parliamentarian. In Ashanti region, few places, and you bet my year free. So on yet no baby ti sa so ase baby ti say sa say adanse area na say hifa na NDC ta epeke wo hodom we ho free mu na sa wo hwe Kumase proper ne sa Asante Achim area ne kai ka ho na look enya yi sa activity ne mika gina ne say political party mo ye yi na say emran na ho say mo de be control nuama na mo jai na se ejinse mo a ebe ha adwene ha ebe ha adwene ne se mi omo ye no I think say discipline bi a omo de ba no eye but we can say sohini na se mo a wakan I don't think say party for no be pick say I didn't na akoko kasa ya na se bibisa ohun ne no wa kire na adwene ho no they should just allow it to slide na yen konko bie kwan no nto ho Emma manfo nkobobo boni ankrofo aye ni akase we die edunum eni na ekakeka ho omo nkoso na omonye na I think say honorable kokofun so befa bibia frame
yeah good me onema to be number about ways what is senior na ikeke or address Dr. Bawumia we nasem na anything so because Dr. Bawumia bomodin na ni patriotic party abomodin to also so you that no oh you are beating this but history beckons history on Bray J Akufo mo kan NDC ka the same thing oh enya Akufo that no makoyira be oh already say ye hwe no sa Akufo then 2000 Akufo won ye na na do that Akufo Addo we lost 2008 yes sir we lost 2012 yes sir ko yi ni bi musu oh already say ye dada on there Akufo Addo there on sumba bia on ko yes want to be the president da we ase
of myself
oh please wo kasa na KK please
wo fa compare
oh KK
something na me kai na o ka de me kai
me say oh please me say history beckons history beckon
history we are giving us wrong history
man
KK I don't know
of my wrong history o fa
you can no man say Akufo Addo want to be the president da in fact the free Akufo so obi kura say o Asante mem obi anwa obetumi the president na kwanya be chen otumfo ya kika ni nyina
Akufo de antisa wana Akufo Addo na ete
ya kan Akufo de ya kan what make reference
of a Kennedy face
don't say no ono ana konta say banche then Akufo Addo first attempt second attempt muso want to be the president da wo Ghana hada 2016 you repeat no you didn't buy and no win now you the Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia about 2024 olusu ya sande na baby until say you hwe na da bia until 2024 you call about so you lusu that heavily now the record the war me say NDC under John Dramani Mahama lost over 1 million votes ama NDC sebe si wo mumu na nya asenketwa that was the record then ba mu ye mu kofa ye wura mahama ababio ye me ka bi so utimi me president bio we all say so that papa no MPP won ko ka bi ni new Hopeson Adorye me offers okay bi on su ka bi say John Mahama timi nye president bio you say so indeed nipa wa NDC mu na wo mu thinking no ma dey say Kojo Bonsulum his excellency Kojo Bonsulum Dr. Dofo no mu ba contest o mu nyina say nipa ne you lose 1 million votes mo sad na ko e dey bio you say within NDC you say so entinye dey bi ma dani but the bottom line is we are talking about yen as new patriotic party your strategies ni enyina so nipa num no obi asefata ye de mo obi a eye nanso pani ko hwem ne yi baako what do? You rally around him and then ye nya no bio Bawumia em se mo ba be nya no na matete no na maka kuntompo sem ne ade ato it's not going to happen. We're going to build a shield around him, defend the party legacies. Now you make sure say be ma Ghana for hu no credit wom. Let me address Minia Hopeson. Was it Bawumia the 56 into losing confidence in the other. The dynamics are different. What happened in 2023 is different from 2026.
And that's the history I wanted you to say.
Please. The dynamics have changed.
Yeah.
If you care to know, the electoral college they call 2023 are different. You are expanding or in first time.
What is the difference?
First time. You were Kennedy Agyapong. The first attempt at presidential, he got 37%. Very impressive. First attempt. Now what are saying?
23.
What do you say about that?
So the far long.
Oh, so dear now we here. What do you say about that? Yewura Grand Champion, the first attempt, he got about say 18 point something percent. So the deeper dynamics in our society, players are aba agronu. Any ahokekani ahoden a ewomu differently. And for you to think, say Dr. Bawumia enya the previous 65 or so percent in it, when
what was the difference between the numbers?
Oh, please.
Last 2023, no.
Oh, please. Oh, please. Why do you ask me? When your host, don't ask me. When I'm in a me who can say no, but I decided to keep quiet. Oh, please. No problem. But the point here I'm driving home is that we are coming with new vigor. We are coming with a rebrand Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, a rebrand New Patriotic Party. Do you think that the party structures in the previously now, you call 2024 elections are I don't ever trust you. We are building the party. We are going to have structures that will match you boot for boot. And then you see polling stations, votes electoral commission call someone declare now you ask him. You ask him a simple question. What's the trouble brewing in NDC? Upusa no. But just 2 seconds. We are you Mahama reset and when say Upusa is a Kumasi ni Accra here so say takra dey so pa. You are not on campaign trail now. Tobu yebeba ho. We see the Munya scandal. 1 year no scandal. Don't worry. We will be coming there. You better work it out. You need better na. You better cancel more. Now, what is brewing in NDC must tell you what is there coming. Se me ne wa akwatia minyini ya se me na minyini ba aka me nsira akwatia. Ye de ye hu ne ho anu okwaduo. Odi okọ na aka nua no. Mo primaries. Mo chairman nam onam kurase ni tokuro biam obepeso obedi flag bearer.
That's what chairman.
Tetemo. More year 1 year anniversary. President is already 1 year in office anniversary. Now chairman, I see doing Ketia, non voter region, only 50 kwete. No munum. And they hold the record, they hold the card. Mo lecturer college, mo register, nipa ni mienu pe honewo. They know and these are cadres. say ni ketia he knows the roots of the party. Onim nipa ye do omu gina ho mo be ye CB out ne wan a mo grow up omu ma no mu na they know that is where the fear is. And unti Fifi Kweta Akasa General Secretary Akasa nti manya nipa ma ha nkrofo se omu mehina no na on kana no ntum somewhere waka some babo tape won some babo tape ye de mo tape
Afenyo be say question
ye de mo tape tape wo ho ye nim Fifi Kweta se mo party mpedifo gigi sika won nkrofo ho mo Fifi Kweta waka ana somewhere ba ene de binum ba be kan ye de ye fi asem you say ye flag bearer ye be hihye from polling station ya ko electoral ya ko constituency ya ko regional na ya national na fe ye de party na gina wo wi ye wia na ya ka che Ghana for say afi ye ko ya ba ye nipa ye yi no ni Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia mo ba no mo hwe no funso bi e wo bi a mo kan kire na ya address. That's the way we're going to go. But as to performance in governance there, I mean, it will be an issue. You better dealing with it from head to toe. Everyone out there, what can it be? It will be a kind of
for the records, maybe say time our percentage, you know. Figures electoral commission Edebetsuja Ken enya 46,554 representing 23.76%. Dr. Bawumia Campaign 36,303 representing 18.53%. And Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia 110,643 and also 56.48. Already chum enya 56.48%. And Oraya edu chum enya 1,999 representing 1.02. And engineer Kwabena Agyapong 402 representing 0.2%. So these are
votes in NPP for votes. Votes in NPP for votes. The Akufo Addo NPP for ma. Enti ya che no bi anya bi no bi anya bi na we anya bi ya wadi kan wo ha just second just second
we decided to heckle him and time no part of it
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.